as physician satisfaction surveys are becoming a real part of reimbursement, I've been doing a lot of thinking about ways to hack them, ways to put your finger on the scale, if you will. I recently heard about a study that was done by marketers in connection with marketing chiropractic services. They found that if a chiropractor visited with a patient and wore street clothes, there was sort of okay patient satisfaction, but that if the chiropractor put on a white lab coat and put a stethoscope in the pocket, or even better, around his or her neck, that patient satisfaction and the ability to sell, which chiropractors are good at, to sell additional services rose astronomically. I also heard somebody talking, there's a recorded speech on YouTube from 5-6 years ago about veterinarians that led to the same conclusion, and that was that a vet who wore street clothes scored a moderate patient satisfaction rating. A vet that wore a blue lab coat, a somewhat better ranking, but a vet that wore a white lab coat, almost 2 points higher on a scale of 1 to 10 than the initial nice street clothes dress. So if this leads to something, it leads to the notion of questioning, thinking about what the physicians in your group are wearing. How are they presenting to patients? If you're hospital-based physicians, in a specialty that actually has contact with patients, what are you wearing? Is there a way to use clothing, use the visual presentation to influence those numbers? Now, even if the influence is only slight, it may well be worth it in light of how payment is moving to take into account physician satisfaction. Something to think about.